Say hey to the gang. Marcus, don't throw him in the air like that.
He like that, look.
Say hey to the H gang. Say hey. And we about to cook. Well, Marcus is about to cook, and I'm going to record him cooking for you guys. So this right here is going to be a little cooking video. So, all right, y'all. So Marcus is cooking me and him dinner. The kids already ate. We already cooked them. They dinner and they ate already. So Marcus is cooking for us. And the kids do not like steak, so that's why they're not eating steak. Before y'all even start, why y'all eating steak and the kids don't like steak. They like seafood. So they already done ate. And like I said, Marcus is about to go ahead and cook me and him dinner. Ain't that right, Marcus?
Word, gang, about to whip it up, you know. Got a little bit of steak, some asparagus, got some baked potatoes. I don't know about y'all, but I use these right here. Just throw them in the mic, good to go. So y'all stay tuned, see how it come out.
Who did that?
You know what I mean?
Lord, somebody done mess up Marcus' knife. We might have to get him a new knife for his birthday.
Yeah, I want to kill Chi. I settle for a Woostar.
I don't know what none of that is.
Kill Chi.
They got them at Walmart?
Hell no. I mean, no, you can't get a kimchi at Walmart.
Oh, well, I guess you won't be getting it either.
Alright, gang, so we're going to start off with our asparagus right here, freshly cleaned and washed or whatever. Right there with rubber band, and we're going to cut the bottoms off. I cut mine a little bit shorter than most people because I don't be wanting all that. I really just like the tip part right here. Let that get real crispy. So we're going to be roasting it today. I'm going to lay them out on my sheet pan. Don't be mad, but I forgot to get some olive oil, so I don't got no olive oil to put on it, so I'm gonna use a little bit of butter, but we're gonna season them up with some salt. With some pepper. My bad. Some pepper. Got some coarse kosher salt. And last, we got a little bit of garlic salt. And after that, like I said, got my olive oil, so I'm gonna use a little bit of salted butter. Just to help with the roasting process. I'm just gonna cut up some pieces and just set it on top and let it melt right on its own. But that's it for the asparagus. I'm just gonna go in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. I usually 30 minutes is like mine on the burn side, but you know, 20 minutes is all you need. Eat my dishwasher and my camera girl.
I be the camera girl. I ain't gonna be no damn dishwasher.
Now it's time to season our steaks.
Now, he already washed them. I ain't get that on camera, but he did wash them. So we wash our meat over here. Well, he rinsed it off.
But if y'all seen our last video at Sam's, the kind of seasoning I was telling y'all about, this what this is. But like I said, me and my sister got it, so you know, had to put mine in the plastic bag. It's a pretty good steak seasoning. I like it a lot.
You acting like that man that be at the restaurant. He be doing that. You know what I'm? Yeah.
Okay. Well, to get an even distributed seasoning, you gotta hold it up high. The sprinkle when it drop down evenly. If y'all didn't know that already. This right here is just a touch of total seasoning. It's something I took from my sister. I ain't never really used it, knew nothing about, but I liked it, so we in there. Back with our coarse kosher salt. Next we got a little pepper.
Oh, I see you back on wearing your Apple Watch.
I've been wearing it. A little bit of season salt, not much, because I already put salt on there. So we just going to use a little bit.
You ain't been wearing it because Cash been playing with it a couple days.
I don't know. I started wearing it back every day when I went back to work. Okay. And next we got a little bit of garlic salt. Once again, we're going to go light on that because we got a little salt on there already.
Oh, you touching that raw meat like that? You ain't going to flip it over?
Look at that. Next, we got our griddle hot already. Then we're gonna hit that with some butter. I don't know about y'all, like my steak cooked with some butter. Oh, forgot to put my gloves back on. Oh no, y'all, I'm tripping. Good thing I'm home. Yeah, they don't like vegetables.
I do eat vegetables.
You gonna eat some asparagus today?
I do eat those when you cook, so don't be trying to play me like I don't eat no vegetables. What was that? And somebody was like, oh, we was at the pizza place.
Yeah, please.
And it was like, she was like, no vegetables. You don't eat that.
Oh, this ain't too much seasoning. I think I'm using a little bit of each. Before y'all, y'all need to learn how to cook. Hella flavors.
Ooh, okay.
Alright, but next, back to our potatoes we talking about. Wow. Got that. Just throw that in the microwave real quick. 6 minutes. I do an extra 30 just to make sure it gets soft.
Nah, he usually use real potatoes, but it's late. It's almost 10 o'clock. He wait till 10, 11 o'clock to feed me. I don't like that. No, you get off at 7. And then you just be playing around. Oh, that's so much.
I'm gonna slice my onion up real quick. I'm only gonna use half of it because, like I said, they don't rock with the veggies.
Well, just stop doing that. I do eat vegetables. You know, I got that strawberry lemonade stuff to go in my water, and it don't taste like strawberry lemonade. Yeah, it was like it wasn't enough in those little packs. It gave, like, when you get the strawberry lemonade and it's watered down and it starts looking clear at the bottom, that's what kind of taste it had.
While the steak cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on the grill and those get cooking.
On your side.
See, when she ain't in here, I be rubbing it all over her steak and getting all juicy and then making the steak taste better.
Don't do that.
She don't be knowing what be going on. Yeah, we got that right there. We're gonna throw a little bit of salt and pepper on the veggies. Everything else already seasoned, so you ain't gonna go too overboard.
I just want to clean up. You gonna walk? You gonna walk? Yeah. Okay, well walk then.
Alright, y'all, this is it. We finished. Got just a little light plate set up or whatever. Got our steak, baked potato, asparagus. Y'all know. Let us know what y'all think. We about to eat.
So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we out. We hope you enjoyed this video.